I hope you people are completed first unit matrices. So you are familiar at how to find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Then definite, indefinite, positive, definite, semi-definite. From the seeing the matrix also you can able to tell what is the semi-definite, definite like this. Lot of things are you have done. Now we are going to stepping into second unit. I will handle full second unit. Sir may handle third unit. Again I will handle fourth unit. So simultaneously full unit I will handle second unit. So there is no disturbance hereafter. In my way I will go, his way he will go in that unit. So full unit I will compile it with the second unit. Third unit Suresh sir will take. So we can start now second unit. What is your second unit? Have you got any syllabus? Have you checked? What is your second unit? Am I audible or not? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're
Yes,
audible.
sir.
Check.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen as a syllabus once?
The
No time.
functions of two variables partial derivatives.
Functions of two variables are heading second unit. Oh, actually, you are doing lesson plan. Functions of several variables. Okay. See, functions of several variables means what? Already you studied, you are familiar with that. So,
So the board is not clear.
not clear.
Sir, not clear. It's very blur.
Because of light, it's a bit bright.
Now,
No, sir,
now
not
okay.
clear enough. Yes, sir, it's okay now. You can say it.
Now okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's better.
Huh?
Yes, sir, it is clear. now.
Yes, sir. Sir, in that engineering mathematics book, they have given sequence and series. Sir.
What? Tell me.
In that engineering mathematics, that book, sir, which you shared, in that sequence and series
Yeah.
is given as unit
Ah.
2, sir.
No. That in our syllabus you can find. Textbook is the textbook will cover actually the first year and second year also. Veerarajan. Second semester syllabus also there. We cannot do, you know.
Okay.
In
Okay.
our syllabus, this is the syllabus. Second unit, this is. You don't worry. This particular part, you can see what is there. In textbook, suppose if it is 10th chapter also, where is the function of variable that you can see. That's it.
Okay, sir.
You need heading. Which unit we are following, that unit you can take there actually. What is there? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, is it okay lighting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now, blur, huh?
No,
sir, it's fine now.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Only one light, opposite light I'm using, tube light.
Yes,
No,
sir, it's
okay.
okay.
Okay, or not, or that light, side light I will use, but that is very dull, I hope. What you want, you can, for me, no problem. This is okay, or this is okay.
Sir,
Which
this
is
is
better?
Sir, this is
This is
better.
better.
Sir, this is better.
This is better. Okay, we follow this. See, y is equal to function of x. You are familiar already in our school level, you studied functions. What is the equation of the circle means, or what you will tell? What is the equation of circle? Circle equations are plus 1, 10th level, plus 1, plus
X minus a whole square plus y minus
okay,
b
that
whole
is
square equals to
equal to
r
center.
square.
Normally, you can tell circle means
X square plus y
X square plus y square plus.
is equal to r square. Correct? That I can write actually y is equal to root of r square minus x square, y is equal to function of x. Parabola equation. Equation of parabola. Conic section already you studied, you know.
Y equals
Y
to
square
4x
is
square.
equal to 4x.
So 4 types are there. Immediately parabola means this fellow will come to my mind. But there are as x square is y square is equal to minus 4x. Cup is open left side, cup is open right side, cup is open top, down. Lot of things are there. Depending on equation we can change. It doesn't matter. So from this actually y is equal to f of x means who is dependent variable, who is independent variable.
Y is dependent, X is independent.
Y is
Dependent,
dependent, X is.
independent.
So this fellow is independent, freely he will sit actually, no problem for him. But suppose if he changes, he will also changes. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So if single variable function, suppose if more than variable means what? This is in differentiation what you will use actually. Single variable is what you will use, differentiation. There are
Yes.
two differential, the ordinary differential and another differentiation is one.
Limits.
Limits is different, yeah. Differentiation, two types of differentiation are there or not?
So partial
F of
differentiation.
Partial differentiation, the ordinary differentiation. Single variable means what you will use?
dy by dx.
Dy by dx. Y differentiate with respect to x or dt by dx, dv by dx like this, correct? Suppose more than one variable means what you will do?
Y.
So we will use partial differentiation. to
Partial differentiation. That how you will use actually.
Dou x.
Dou square u, dou y square, but this may be like d square y by. Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So more than one variable means what? We are entering into the partial differentiation. Now actually we have total differential actually. So 2 means more partial, then the more than 3 means different ways we can use one formula we use. See. Before
Excuse me,
that,
sir.
yes,
So it's really hard to understand what you have written on the board. It's not clear.
not clear.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I think there is a network issue.
Yes, because low network.
The
Morning.
screen is so blurred.
Maybe low network I think so actually. I'm using Airtel network or not Wi-Fi also.
Excel is dropping, sir, for you.
What?
Sir, here if it rains Airtel, some network.
Yeah,
will
here
be
also
issues,
heavy
sir.
rain in Chennai actually now I'm
Excel
at
is
home.
dropping, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just listen actually, just note down, I'll explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So, suppose if you write dou square u by dou y square means partial differentiation. Now, just to note down partial differentiation, how you will use actually. Suppose, if you see the circle, area of circle is what, tell me?
R.
Y
Pi
square.
r square.
Y square.
R square. If R increases, area will increase or not?
Yes, sir.
If R changes,
Yes, sir.
automatically A will change. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you take a cylinder, volume of cylinder is what, sir?
Pi r square.
Pi
Pi
r
r
square.
square.
Pi r square. Suppose only I am increasing R, I am not increasing H. So volume will change or not?
Yes, sir. It will.
Yes, sir.
But maybe I will get thick cylinder, big cylinder like this I will get.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Now, if one fellow I am treating as a constant, I am not disturbing in H. H is constant here, R only changes. Suppose if I increase H, I am not disturbing R. Then what I will get? I may get cylinder like this, stylish cylinder. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What
sir.
will change? So here is what we are concentrating only one variable, not others. In this case, what I will get partial differentiation. Correct? So already you are
Yes, sir.
familiar. Partial differentiation you've done. Some problems I will do. Just you can tell me answer. U is equal to x square plus y square plus z. Then dou u by dou x, what you will get?
So 2x.
So 2x plus 2y
Plus
plus
y
2z.
square plus z square.
2x.
2x
Plus y square plus z square.
plus y square plus z square also will come. Very good, sir. Then
Sir, only 2x.
Sorry,
na,
sir. Sir, only
2x.
Only 2x.
Only 2x. Other will get 0.
Other will
well,
get
other fellows are constant.
constants.
Yes.
Suppose if you see y is equal to x square plus 5 plus 6 means what dy by dx what you will do? 2x you know. 2x plus 5 plus 6 you will write, huh? No. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So dou u by dou x is what? 2x. Dou u by dou y?
2y.
2y.
Y.
Dou u by dou z?
2z.
2z.
2z. They may denote it, this is ux. U suffix x means what? Dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou y, they may denote what? uy. Dou u by dou z, they may write uz. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
You said
The notations they may write u suffix x, u suffix y, u suffix z.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Ux, uy,
Yes.
uz. They answer that is nothing but dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z. If we enter in third semester, partial differentiation and transformation where the PD fully is there. So boundary conditions fully partial differentiation you will use third semester fully. There you will give the notation, some names they will go, they will form the equations, solve a lot of things they will do after second semester. That is different story. This basic only we deal here. Now u is equal to x square into y square into z square. Now dou u by dou x is what?
0.
Hey, 0 va. Come on. Think and tell.
2x.
Y square into
2x,
y
y
square z.
square,
X, y square, z square, sir.
Hey, don't hurry, yaar. No problem. Hey, don't get that just like this and cutting spontaneously like this. Don't worry. Coming from floor, you don't feel. 2x, y square, z square. See, difference between previous problem and this problem is see, previous x square plus y square plus z square given into this is a coefficient like this. 2x, 2y, so that will also will come. Now dou u by dou y.
Sir, 2y x square z square.
2x z square.
So 2x square y z can I write aloud?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I need
Sir,
some
z
flow.
square. Sir, z square.
Thank you. Dou u by dou z?
Sir, 2y square x square z.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, come on. Dou square u, dou x, dou y. How you will do?
It's a 4xy z square.
4x, y, z square.
No. I am not asking answer. How you will do? I am asking question.
Sir, we will just take z as constant and xy as variables.
Sir,
That
it will
is-
be d, sir, dou u over dou x and dou u by dou y.
Okay.
We will multiply.
How you will do partial differentiation? Any idea? Any hint they given actually when they're taken plus 2 level partial? I think you done Euler's theorem also. U is a homogeneous function of degree n, then x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou is equal to n into u. N is the homogeneous degree. Done or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So take 1 as constant.
Okay. But I will ask the question in different shape, different way. First, which fellow you will differentiate? Tell me.
Do you
Yes,
by
sir.
do X?
X. Sir.
So taking u, first you will do x. After that, what you are getting answer, you will do with respect to y. But here, whatever maybe you will get answer because it's a continuous function. Always, it's not true. Partial differentiation means what? You can do in the, there is a one way is there you can follow. Like, you know, actually, Muslims, how they write Urdu, any idea? We write actually from left to right. Urdu, any right to right, but where they will start, you know, you got any friends means what they will read in Quran actually in Ramzan time, 30 chapters. Huh? Yes, 30 chapters they read in 30 days. Nice. Last page they will start actually. Last page is beginning. From here they will start. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Starting also last page they will start. So partial differentiation is what? Friend of the Muslim. You can differentiate in reverse way. First with respect to y you can do. What answer you will get, then you can do x. Suppose dou give you dou x, dou y, dou z means first what you will do?
Z from Z will be.
First z. What answer you will get taking that fellow with respect to y you can do. What answer you will get it. But in our problems, no problem. How many? But you are in plus 2 level, you proved actually. Dou square u, dou x, dou y is equal to dou square u, dou y, dou x. Correct or not? Some
Yes,
problems
sir,
they
yes,
may
sir.
given or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Secant of log of secant x plus tan x. Prove that dou u by dou x, dou y is equal to dou square u, dou x, dou y is equal to dou square u, dou y.
Right.
Some problems they will do. But here no problem in our level. Sometimes it's can't. So, but way is what? From back side you can differentiate. Partial differentiation how you will do? Dou square u, dou x, dou means first with respect to y, then x. Dou q means what? This is third order. 3 times I am differentiating with respect to z, then y, then x. Suppose if I have dou q u, dou x square, dou y means what? First I will do y. Then what answer I will get? After that x 2 times I will do. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Clear? Now, come on now tell me. Dou square u, dou x, dou y means from where you will start? First dou u by dou y you can do. One answer you got it or not? What is that answer?
2x square y z square.
Y, Z square.
From here you can write dou square u, dou x, dou y. This fellow you can do with respect to x. Then
4xy z square.
that is the way of doing. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I don't get it, sir.
No. What is there? You see, dou square u, dou x, dou y means first you can do dou u by dou y. Taking this fellow, again with respect to x you can do, then second derivative. Dou by dou x of this fellow. So dou square u, dou x, dou y. Taking this with respect to x you can do. Reaching or not?
No, sir. Can't get it, sir.
No. 1 minute. Where is my, oh, here it is. See, what I am telling, I need dou square u, dou x, dou y. Means what? First you can do dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y is what? 2x square y z square, correct? Then this
Yes.
fellow with respect to x you can do. That is what? Dou by dou x of dou u, dou y. That is nothing but dou square u, dou x, dou y. That is 4xyz square. Clear?
Got it. Yes, sir. Got it.
That is dou by dou x. What answer you will get? That answer with respect to x you can do. Any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No problem, sir. No problem.
Yes. I will check if it is Euler's theorem, means I will tell you again. After that, otherwise we can go directly. Total derivatives or total differentiation. Just listen first. Suppose u is function of x and y. If u is function of x and y. So several variables given. X is function of t, y is function of t. Sir, u is what? Function of x, y, where function of t, y is function of t. One thing you can remember always, single variable means ordinary differentiation you can use, two variable means partial differentiation. Always you can come first to last. Come first to last, you can draw the tree. U is function of xy, u is x is function of t, y is function of t. Come first to last. How many variables are there?
5.
Huh?
Two variables.
So two variables.
Hey, forget the two. First to last, how many variables you can tell me?
One variable.
One variable.
Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Come first to
So
last.
what is written in the bracket? So f bracket.
xy. U is function of xy.
No,
Where
sir.
x-
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, in where x equals to.
Where x is equal to function of t, y is function of t.
Okay,
Or
sir.
f of t, g of t also you can mention if you have difficulty to fill all f1, f2, f3 because all are different functions.
So what is on the left side of u? The very initial.
Function of xy, if u is
If
equal to
y-
function of xy. If if. If u is equal to function of xy, where x is function of t, y is function of t, then draw the tree. U is what? Function of xy. X is function of t, y is function of t. Always you can come top to last. From top to last. Now here how many variables are there, sir?
one.
One variable.
So, no. Last only can tell. Remaining I will forget about this.
One, sir. One.
1. So I will start du by dt is equal to, then come to here, then come here. From here to here if you come, how many variables are there?
So two, sir, x and y.
Same.
Two variables. So du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x. From here to here, how many variables?
One, sir.
One, sir.
One variable.
Similarly, you can go that side. Dou u by dou y dy by dt. Any problem? Always you can write last to top, first to last. Du by dx is equal to come here. Dou u by dou x because two variables. Then into dx by dt. Go there. Dou u by dou y dy by dt. Clear?
Sir, in the equation you have written dou u by dx two times.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Printing mistake. Dou u by dou x dx by dt. Dou u by dou y dy by dt. Clear?
Okay, so it's not d, it's d.
What d?
Sir, dou u by dou x and then dx by dt.
Ah.
Okay.
Now you people tell me, suppose u is function of x, y, z. X is function of theta, y is function of theta, z is function of theta. Now tell the formula.
So du by dt, d theta, it will be
Sid.
Ah,
So du by dx by
Sid,
d
du
theta.
by d.
no. First
du
wait.
by
First
d
one
theta.
by
x dx by d theta plus dou y by dou u by dou y into dy by d theta plus dou u by dou z into dz by d theta.
Again, anyone, others, that boy, okay, leave it. Any other boy or girl, any one of you tell.
Du by d theta equal to dou
Very
u by
good.
dou x into dx by d theta.
D theta.
Yes, like a singing
Plus,
song actually. Nicely
yes,
have to
sir.
come up.
Yes, sir, plus dou u by dou y
Yes.
multiplied by dy by d theta, and then plus dou u by dou z multiplied by dz by d theta.
Oh, okay. Then anyone others? See, du by d theta is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by dou theta plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dy by d theta, dou u plus dou u by dou z into dz by d theta. What is there? Enough LKG problem. Come on,
Yes.
come on, tell me.
Sir, du by d theta.
du by
Very good.
dou u by dou x
Dou u by dou x
dx by d theta
D, not dou. D or dou?
dx
by d theta
dx by d
dx
theta
by
d
d
theta
theta.
plus
plus
dou u by dou y
dou y
into dy by d theta plus dou u by dou z into dz by d theta.
Enough. What is there? Come on, note down.
So done, sir.
Completed. Am I confusing you? Okay, clear or not?
Easy, sir.
Okay. Shall I continue? Shall I work now?
Yes.
Yes, no.
Now we can take. If u U is function of x comma y, where x is equal to function of r and theta, y is equal to function of r and theta. They will ask a question, you don't worry, but we are framing the formula, everything I am telling. They will ask, find the du by dx, d theta, or du by dx, du by deta, but how to attack you should know. Now draw the tree. Now main fellow is what? U. Function of what? X and Y. X and Y are what?
R and theta.
Now come on, attack. Tell me formula. Always come first to last.
Sir, it will be like du by du theta will be equals to. Sir, can you just get side of a camera? Just I will.
Sorry. Extremely sorry.
Yeah. So du by du theta will be equals
that's
to.
it. Come on.
Yes, sir.
I'm coming back.
It will be equals to du by du x multiplied by dx by dr.
Goinda.
dx by
Started
deta.
with theta. Hello. You started with theta. Why you are coming with r? R means forget about theta.
Okay, sir.
Theta means forget about r. Come on again. Tell me.
U by d theta is equal to dou u by dou x into dx by d theta.
Hey, dia. How many variables are there? X with how many variables are there?
R and
Sir, it will be like d. It will be like dx by dr by theta, right?
No D. U is 2 variables, X also 2 variables. Then who will come?
Yes, sir.
Right? Then question you can tell. Some
Yes,
fellow is equal to, you can tell in terms of do only. But that do you can fill.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Come
So
on.
it will be like du u by du x multiplied by du x
Hey,
by
who
du
is that
r.
fellow is equal to what? Starting point I want.
So starting point will be the d of dx of du by dy.
No. Something is
Here
equal
we
to,
will
I
get
think. See,
two equations.
you are writing formulas, sir. Something is equal to that something. Who is that I am asking? You will write this is equal to something. But this fellow is, who is this fellow?
Sir, du u by
So
du
do you
x.
by do theta.
Yes, sir.
Do
Du
you
u
by
by
do
du
theta one fellow and another fellow is what?
Du u
So
by
do
du
you
r.
Yet two fellows are there. Correct? You will get the formula for do u by do r and do u by do theta also. Reaching or not?
Reaching.
Yes, sir.
Am I confusing lot?
No, sir.
Okay. Now come on. Now you can start do u by do r. First to last. Okay, yeah. Do u by do r is equal to, how can you write? Do u by do x into do x by do r only. No theta business. Then do u by do y.
Do y.
Do
Do
y
y
by do
by
r. That's it. Suppose do u by do theta means how you will write?
Do u by do
x into dou u
Very
by
good. Do u by do x
do x by
into
do r.
Do x by
dou
do
u
theta.
dou x by dou theta.
No confusion.
Yes.
Do u by
Do y.
Dou y.
Do y. Do y by
Do y
do
by do
Dou y
theta.
by dou
Do
theta.
yes, sir.
what is there? Suppose, copy down first. Take the diagram and copy down.
So one clarification, sir.
What?
Sir, one clarification.
Come on, tell me. If I know, I
Sir,
will tell you.
this D and do both are same, no, sir?
What?
Or two different entities, D and do.
D means ordinary differentiation. Do means partial differentiation.
Okay, sir.
If you write D means what? Only one variable. If you write do means what? More than one variable. Means do will come.
So here everything is do only, no sir. There is no d involved.
Here everything is dou. Previous problem starting du by dt is equal to dou u by dou x dx by dt. Dou u by dou y dy by dt there. Previous problem.
Okay, sir. Since here we are getting in the last term two variables, we are using dou
Last
for
two
both.
variables, middle also two variables, more than one variable, partial only.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you.
Yes, always first to last you have to write last two variables. So automatically this.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the difference between do and del?
What?
Do and del.
Della. Where is del?
So del u by del x that.
That is different. That is operator is what in different equations. Numerically you will get a del.
Okay, sir.
That is a one situation, one notation we use. But D means ordinary differentiation, do. But del also means that is different operators. That is numerical methods. Different formulas means they will use. Del of f of x means what? F of x plus h minus f of x. That is difference formula is difference. Differentiation formula is difference. They will use a numerical method. You people are computer science, so no, you don't have numerical methods. They will have del, delta, forward difference, backward difference, lot of things. That is 5th semester maths. Maths like a washer, there is no end. This is what they have done everything, researched everything. We have on juice only. Years together they have done research. That only we are drinking and enjoying. Okay, copy. Diagram also copied.
Sir, 1 minute. Just a minute.
Take. But you can write u is equal to function of xy, where x is equal to function of r theta, y is equal to function of r theta. Then dou u by dou r is equal to dou u by dou t is equal to. Then tree you are drawing. They will give this much only. Tree for my convenience I am giving. Nowhere tree available.
Sir, can't we calculate the value of the u by the r the theta together?
Dou u by dou theta.
Okay, sir.
They will ask question. They will go u is equal to function of xy, where x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Find dou u by dou r, dou u by dou theta, like this.
So what will we get if we multiply these two equations?
What? We are going to find dou u by dou theta value and dou u by dou r. They will ask the question, they will give the question, they will find that dou u by dou r means we do. Because more than one variable actually. Say 2, 3, 4 variables we are dealing. U is one function x and y. Then again x is what another function. 2 variables. Simplistic function inside
Yes,
function. Like this.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now again you can frame u is function of x, y, z. X, y, z is what? R, theta, phi also you can take. Now what you will get, tell me? Now I am extending one variable. But don't feel actually. I may have x, y down, r, theta, phi also. 3 means 3 you don't feel. Am I reaching or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
If I have
Yes, sir.
x, y, x is function also, r, theta, phi also will come. Don't feel. Okay, he is giving 3 functions x, y, z, so the only r, theta, phi like this. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, just for sake for giving some homework, actually taking time and x, y. Now you can tell me how you write again, start game.
Sir, there will be 3 answers for this. Du
3
by
answers, okay.
the-
First, one answer you can tell me. I am very happiest person in this universe. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Dou
Sir,
u by
dou
dou
u
r, how
by
you
dou
can tell
r.
me? Do u by do r, tell me.
So do you by do
r
x
equal
Do u by
to
do x into do x by do r plus do u by do y multiplied by do u by do y by do r plus do u by do z multiplied by do z by into do z by do r.
do r.
Here third fellow also will enter.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. So the
If
equations
you
will
forget
remain
do
two.
z by do r is collapse. Correct? So that's why given. If you want, you can frame this, draw the tree and frame. Then next class we do the problem. Tomorrow we have class, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What time?
The morning first.
Morning first hour. No.
11:35, sir.
Huh?
11:35, sir.
Okay. After this hour, I think so. After.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Whatever maybe we take, what is there? Now you attend, but this you can fill, don't leave. Again, you can draw the diagram. Then you can write u is function of x, y, z, x is function of r, theta, phi, y is function of r, theta, phi. Then again you can write. You shall check yourself. Okay, yeah. Now give me answer 217. First number 217, sir.
Present, sir.
18. Don't put in chat box. My desktop in another room. My camera is here. I am in separately. Tell me. If anyone sees this, tell me chat box. 218. 19.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present, sir.
22. 20.
Present, sir.
Yes. 22. 23.
18. Present, sir. Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
27.
Present, sir.
28. 29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
31.
Present, sir.
32. 33. 34.
Present, sir.
35.
Present, sir.
36.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
37. 37.
sir. Present, sir.
38.
Present, sir.
38.
Present, sir.
39.
Present.
Present, sir. Present, sir. 39. Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
41. 41. 41. 41.
Absent, sir.
42.
Absent. 41 absent.
42.
Present, sir.
43. 44.
Present, sir.
45.
Present, sir.
46.
Absent,
Absent,
sir.
sir.
47.
Present, sir.
48.
Present, sir.
49.
Present, sir.
50.
Present, sir.
51.
Present, sir.
52.
Present, sir.
53.
Present, sir.
54.
Present, sir.
55.
Present, sir.
56.
Present, sir.
57.
Present, sir.
58. 59.
Present, sir.
60.
Present, sir.
61.
58 present.
Present, sir.
62.
Present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
64.
Present, sir.
Light put 65.
Present, sir.
66.
Present, sir.
67.
He left the college, sir.
67 not there.
He left the college.
Oh, 68.
Present, sir.
69.
Present, sir.
70.
Present, sir.
71. 72.
Present, sir. Sir, 71 present.
Yes, sir.
74.
Present, sir.
75.
Present, sir.
76.
Present, sir.
77.
Present, sir.
78.
Present, sir.
79. 80.
Sir, present, sir.
81.
80 present.
81. 81.
Present, sir.
82.
Present, sir.
83.
Present, sir.
84.
Present, sir.
85.
Present, sir.
86.
Present, sir.
87.
Present, sir.
88.
Present, sir.
89.
He also left the college, sir.
Okay. Sir, 28, 32, 33, 41,
Sir.
43. Ah,
Sir, hello, sir. 32 present, sir. I said it, sir.
okay,
32 present. 32 present.
58 present, sir.
32 present.
58. 58, sir. 58.
58 present. Then
Remaining
answer is
also present.
71. 71.
71 strike it, sir.
Okay, sir.
28, 33, 43,
79.
46. 79 is there, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 28 present, sir.
28. Then what are you doing when you're calling?
Sir, I said, sir.
Okay. 33, 43, 46. Okay. Done. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You can leave.